Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do this stitch pattern for the clutch bag, which makes up the majority of the bag pattern. So you should have your denim yarn in the pink and the blue, and you should also have your Knit Pro 5.5mm Symphony crochet hooks. So let's show you how to do this stitch. Okay, so for this pattern it is worked to units of 3 plus 1 and then plus 2 for your foundation chains. So when you make your bag, you're going to chain 33 for your bag, but for this tutorial I'm just going to do a little swatch, a smaller swatch. So I'm going to work to a smaller unit of 3. So let's use it in the blue, and I'm just going to do a smaller unit of 3. So I'm going to do 1, 2, then 3, I'll do another 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I'll do up to 9, 7, 8 and 9. So I've done 3 times 3, so that's 9, but you need to then I'm going to add on 1 after that. So I'm going to add on 1 after that, so add on 1. Okay, and then once you've done your unit of 3 and plus 1, then you need to add another 2. So it's effectively another 3 on the end. So you could just say work to a unit of 3. So I've chained in total 12, but for the bag you need to chain 33. Okay, so once you've got that down, once you've done all your chains, you then need to do 2 double crochet in your 3rd chain from hook. So this pattern's in US terminology, so in UK terminology you need to do 2 trebles. So we're going to yarn over, and then our 3rd chain, we don't count the loop on our hook. There's our 1st chain, 2nd, 3rd, put our hook into there, and we do 2 double crochet. That's 1, and then another one in the same chain. 2 double crochet in there, okay, and then once you've done that you then need to skip 2 chains. Okay, we're going to skip 1, skip 2, then in the next chain we're going to do 1 single crochet, or in UK terminology a double crochet. Okay, single crochet in there. And then we also need to do 2 double crochet in there as well, in the same chain. Do 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and another one, 2. Okay, all in the same chain. And then we're just going to repeat that all the way to the end. So we're going to skip 2, 1 and 2, then we do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the next chain. So we do a single crochet and then 2 double crochet. Okay, you want to repeat that until the last 3 stitches. So when you've got 3 stitches left, what we're going to do is we're going to skip 2, 1 and 2. Then in the very last stitch we're just going to do a single crochet, just 1 single crochet. Okay, and then that's the end of that row. Okay, so moving on to row 2, we're going to start off with chaining 2, 1 and 2. We're going to turn our work. I'm going to do 2 double crochet in that previous single crochet at the very beginning. So go into there, do 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay. Then what you want to do is skip the next 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Then in the next stitch you want to do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. So go into that previous single crochet and do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. 1 and 2, all in the same stitch. Okay, and then we're just going to repeat that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then in that single crochet we do 1 single crochet and then 2 double crochet again. 1 and 2. And you just want to repeat that, and you're going to end on skipping the previous 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and you want to do just one single crochet in a chain 2 space. So this very end chain 2 space here, this gap here, we're just going to put our hook into there, and we're just going to finish up with a single crochet. So we don't do any more 2 double crochets. And that's the end of row 2. And then carrying on those rows, we do rows 3 to 7, just repeating row 2, and then we change to the pink for rows 8 to 14 for your bag, and then for rows 15 to 21 we just change back to the blue. So all you do is you carry on with row 2, so we chain 2, show you that again, and we do 2 double crochet in that previous single crochet here, 2 double crochet, and we're going to skip the previous 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, then in that previous single crochet in the next stitch we're going to do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet, or in UK terminology a double crochet and 2 trebles. One and another one. We just repeat that up to the end until we've got 3 stitches left, and we're going to skip the 2 double crochets, and then in that next stitch, that single crochet, we do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. So repeat that all the way along. Then when you get to the end like this, we're going to skip these 2 stitches, these double crochets, but instead of working into the chains we're going to find the little chain 2 space here, and in that gap we do that 1 single crochet. We just finish on just 1 single crochet. And there we go, that's row 2 again. So you just repeat that over and over again until you've got your rectangle of this stitch, and then you just fold the bag up and continue the pattern. If you have any questions, just drop me a little email in the little email box, message box below on this page, and I'll get back to you and try and help you. But I hope you have fun. I hope that's helped. I'll see you soon. Some crochet fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.